everyone, welcome to today's lesson. So, in this lesson, I'll be guiding you through on how to prepare for your classes on Classin. I had a friend walk up to me telling me, "Oh, do you know I was in the class, I was searching for my material, my courseware, the student was looking at me, I was looking at the student, I was like, oh, what's that?" You have to prepare for your class beforehand. You don't just go into the class and start searching for the courseware. So, in this lesson, I'm going to show you how you can prepare for your classes before the class. Assuming you have like 10 classes in a day, do you think you have enough time? You have a class back to back. Do you think you have enough time to prepare for each class? No. You have to prepare for the class ahead. If you have 10 classes, you have to prepare for the 10 classes before you start. So all you just need to do is to go in and have your classes, okay? So in this video, I'll put you through on how to prepare for your classes ahead of time. So please ensure you watch the video to the end.
So, in this video, I'll show you how to prepare for a class. Okay? I'll show us how to prepare for a class. Okay, so first of all, this is your home. This is a class in home. So once you log into your Classin, this is what you will see. So when you look by the side, by your right side, you see prepare. You see all the classes you have. So I just have one class on this particular classing. So and this class will be at 5. It will be at 5 p.m. So let me say I want to prepare for this class because you always have to prepare ahead. You don't prepare while in class. You have to prepare beforehand. So you won't just go to the class and start looking at the parents or the students. A teacher told me, "Oh, I entered the class. The parent was there. I was looking for my materials. Like, wow, what are you saying?" So please, you need to prepare for your classes ahead. Imagine you have 10 classes back to back. What would you do? You think you have enough time? You think you have 5 minutes, 4 minutes, 2 minutes to prepare for your classes? Do you know you can be in a particular class and you can use extra 3 to 4 minutes for a class, and by the time you're going into another class, it's already time, it's already late. So you have to prepare for your classes ahead, maybe a day, maybe 30 minutes before, but you have to prepare before your classes. So let me show you how to prepare for the class on classes. So you see prepare, you click on prepare. And it takes you to the class immediately. Okay, so once you click on prepare, it takes you to the class immediately. Yes, it takes you to the class. So then you can choose the material you want. You can choose the material. So let me choose material. So you go to your file as usual. Yes, go to your file here. Then go to your file. Just choose the material that you want. Choose the material you want. This is not what I'm going to be teaching today. So let me choose the material I'm going to be teaching. 3, 2, 3, 2. So you choose the material you're going to be teaching. Okay, so you can maximize, you can minimize. If you have anything you want to write, you can just type, you can type whatever you want to type, then you close. So once you go to this X, you have to go to this X, this exit, close. So once you go there, it automatically exits the classroom. Click on it, it exits. Okay. So another ways you can also enter the class. Maybe you just want, you can go to the charts. Click on charts. You have a lot of classes. Maybe you want to check, oh, where did I stop last? Where did I stop last? Okay, I stopped here last. You can just go there and choose the material you want, where you stopped last. You can go and choose it. Just because most times I just write my material. Maybe I say next. Maybe usually I'll just say next is blah blah blah. Next is 10. Next lesson is 9. So you can just check the chat history with the student, then you can just go in. You click on enter. Once you click on enter, yes, it brings you here. So you see your history with the student, the classes you've taught the student, the classes remaining. Hmm, sorry. Okay, so you see classes you've taught the student and the ones remaining. So this is one of it. So you can just go there and and click on prepare. Once you click on prepare, it takes me to the class immediately. Yeah, takes me to the class immediately. Then can just go and leave. So once you leave, it saves automatically, okay? Auto save, you can see the auto save. So let me say this particular lesson, I want to edit it. I want to adjust the time because it's very close and we've rescheduled. So I want to adjust the time. So I can just go here, click on edit, click here, edit.